Good morning everybody. Starting the trail now guys. Ito pala tayo sa Mount Makiling guys. So nag-i-start na tayo na mag trail. And what time na? I think yes 5:53. So magsi-6 na din naman no. But you heard guys, you know what, hanggang station 30 daw to guys. So kailangan natin ng maraming energy no. Ang kinakatakutan is yung limatic pa yun guys. So have to take care talaga because kalimatic is so dangerous. But just be mindful na lang no guys. So let's go, bye. Okay guys, feeling ko na lumagpas na tayo ng station 8 no. Wow. Parang feeling ko paakyat na. And paakyat na. Papatag, paakyat pa diba guys. Kaya, so, laban lang no guys. Laban. See, I have my friend here. Look, my friend. Hi friend.
Yes, hello.
From Myanmar.
Nice to meet you.
Wow, it's a very good Tagalog. Nakalagpas na kami sa station 8 I think. And then now is still trail pa din kami guys. Kaya let's do this. Fighting! Fighting guys! Look at the forest guys. Are you okay? Oh my gosh. Nag-ingat kami sa limatic. Makakamalimatic kami guys. Wow. So forest. Ayan daw ang limatic guys. Wow. Baka kagatin ka kuya.
Hindi po yan. Ito po yung sinasabi ko sa mama hanggat hindi nakakabot sa ice. Hindi po siya nakakagat.
Lakad siya?
Opo. Ito hindi po kakagat sa ganito natin balat hanggat hindi nakakamoto sa mata po.
Okay.
Alam niyo na po, nakatin niyo
Okay po, okay. Wow. Yun palang limatic. Okay.
Yun yung mama mo. Diba, napakababa niya. Kaya
Opo.
ako magkakaroon sa
Okay. Let's go guys. Continue. Focusing na tayo Okay. We did it! Guys! Hello! Go! Let's do this! Nice view! Wow! My God! Ang ganda ng view! So beautiful the view!